Again, this is Sue Rose with ExpertVillage. And if you remember, we masked this yellow sun in the first stages of showing how to paint this watercolor sunset. So now I'm going to use this art gum eraser, and I'm going to erase this masking, making sure that the paper is completely dry. And all the yellow's coming up because it was transparent. Okay. See, there is our sun, and it is too light to show, so I'm going to add a little more yellow to it again. There's still a spot on here. Using my smaller brush, add a little more depth to the sun here. You can see the nice round circle that it hasn't blended in at all. You continue with this. You can add as much of your different colors, the yellow, the red, or the blue. You mix the red and the blue to get your purple or colors. This needs to add a little more depth to it, but this is the basic way. You continue layering all the way across, and when you finish, you end up with something like this. So here are the two paintings step by step. It's the beginning project here and the finished project here. Again, this is Sue Rose with ExpertVillage. Thanks for watching. Here is the beginning project. Here is the finished project. Be sure and watch some of the other things that we have for you in this category.